If you are new to bead making or beading, if you are new to setting up a loom or developing your designs, this is to help you in terms of setting up a graph and doing a design, a bead design, that will give you a very good idea about what your finished product will look like. Right now I'm showing you a word processing program, and this is Microsoft Word on mine. You may have something different. And I'm going to go to Insert, Table, and I'm going to put a table down like this. I have this set up actually for my orientation being landscape. So now I'm going to put in, for my purposes here, I'm going to put in 50 on the columns. And for the number of rows, I'm going to put in 10 for right now. And I'm going to enter that. And you can see now you have basically a graph that you can use for beading. You can go, I'm going back to home, and you can take this and change the width of the columns or the length of the columns by adjusting the font size. So now you're going to have basically a bead graph here, and you can arrange this so depending on types of beads that you're using, width and length of the bead, you can change the dimensions on here to whatever you want them to be. We're going to go here and just go put this at 12 for right now. Now once you've done this, you want to copy this. So I'm hitting print screen and I'm opening up my paint program. I'm going to paste that in here. So we have that pasted in here. And now I'm going to go up and I'm going to pick a color. So let's pick red. And we can create whatever design we want and show how this would look if we were putting red beads in here. And then we can change that color again. And we can then put yellow beads. So if you're using seed beads, this might be a good setup for it, and you'll see your design. Here's a pattern I was working on earlier, and I'm doing some work on that right over here. So hopefully this will help all of my beadworking friends in terms of developing your designs and coming up with your plans. So again, you can go into your word processing and then print screen, back to your paint program, and then you can color in, use the exact colors you want to use for beads, and develop your entire design. You can print that out and follow it to your heart's content. So hopefully this has been helpful.